Okay class, today we are doing another math exam. Angelica?
Can I please go to the bathroom?
Yes, and please be quick.
Okay. Okay, I'm out. Now what was I going to do again? I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Hoo 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 hoo. There it is over there.
Oh no! It's the fire alarm. We gotta get out of here. Wait! Where's Angelica? Oh, there you are. Wait a minute. Did you pull the fire alarm?
No.
Then why is the switch pulled down?
Dunno.
Okay, well, let's get out of here. Angelica, are you sure it wasn't you?
No, it wasn't me. I came out of the bathroom and saw it like that.
Okay, then we'll see. Principal Steinbeck, did you check to see if there was any fire?
No, but I found a switch that was pulled down by someone.
Well, then I guess we gotta call the police to check out fingerprints.
Good idea.
When the police arrived.
Hello there. I got a call that someone pulled a fire alarm.
Yes, come with me.
Okay, I will check the fingerprints, and I'll get all the students in line so I can match the fingerprints together.
All right.
When the students are all lined up.
You're first. Place your hand here.
Okay.
You're good. You can go back to class.
Thank you.
Place your hand here.
Okay.
You're good. You can go back to class.
Thank you.
Place your hand right here.
Okay.
You're free to go.
Thank you.
You can go. Place your hand here.
I think I know who did it.
Don't tell me, I'll find out. Now place your hand here.
Okay.
You can go back to class now.
Thank you.
Sit right here.
I have to go use the restroom.
I'll make it quick, I promise.
My mother's gonna pick me up, so see you.
Just sit down. Wait, now you're acting suspicious. Did you pull the fire alarm?
I don't think so.
Then come right here for proof. Come on, we don't got all day.
No, please.
Place your snuff-grubbing hand here.
Okay.
Oh, I knew it. You did this all along.
I'm sorry. Okay.
No apologies. You're going to the principal's office.
At the principal's office.
Angelica, it was you who pulled the fire alarm.
I'm sorry. Please don't call my parents.
Too bad. So sad. Also, I'm suspending you for 12 days. Go home now.
When Angelica got home.
Angelica, why the barnacles you pulled the fire alarm at school? That's it, Missy.
You are so grounded until Grand Theft Auto 6 gets released. Get in your room and don't come out at the moment.